very warm welcome to the Australian Manufacturing Awards. Yes, give yourselves a round of applause.
We are a remarkable community of Australians who are committed to achieving something for the country.
Tonight is a celebration of the remarkable achievements and innovation that defines Australia's manufacturing capabilities.
It's about recognising the resilience, the innovation and quite frankly the sheer determination that defines Australian manufacturing.
Congratulations for the winners. Keep coming back. Thank you very much.
It's time for the awards. How exciting!
Australia's manufacturing deserves a night of nights.
And what a fabulous night of celebration it's going to be.